Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Destiny. Let's start current affairs of 19th of April 2021. First question: which becomes the first country to ratify the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, the world's largest free trade agreement led by China? Answer is A. Singapore. We'll see about RCEP. It is proposed a free trade agreement between 10 member states of ASEAN. ASEAN is the association of the Southeast Asian nations and partner countries. These partner countries are China, Japan, South Korea, Australia, and New Zealand. India was the sixth partner, but now India is opting out of the RCEP because India feared that by joining the trade deal, its domestic market would have been swamped with the imports, especially cheap Chinese imports, and it will affect Indian domestic market. So India is thinking to opt out from the RCEP agreement. Next, in association with which bank the Niti Aayog has developed a first of its kind online dispute resolution handbook that was launched by Supreme Court Justice D.Y. Chandrachud? Answer is C. ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank in association with Niti Aayog has developed a online dispute resolution handbook. Niti Aayog president is a Narendra Modi, vice president is a Rajiv Kumar, and CEO is a Amitabh Kant. ICICI Bank headquartered in Mumbai and MD and CEO is Sandeep Bakshi. Next, Rahman Magsaysay awardee Abdur Rahman passed away recently. He was a veteran. Answer is A. Human right activist. Next, Switch On Foundation has partnered with which bank to offer finance to the marginal farmers for buying solar pumps? Answer is C. Punjab National Bank. This aims means Switch On aims to help the small marginal farmers without any collateral and to promote the clean energy. So for this it is partnering with Punjab National Bank. CEO of Punjab National Bank is SS Mallikarjun Rao. Next, an environmental, social and governance committee has been formed by Infosys under whose chairmanship? Answer is D. Kiran Muzamdar Shaw. Next, which company has launched India's first high-speed commercial delivery electric scooter Hermes 75? Answer is D. Kabira Mobility. There are two more electric motor companies. One is a Norton, which was recently acquired by TVS, and Itergo, which was acquired by Ola. Next, Ungot hydroelectric project is in which state? Answer is Meghalaya. Capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. CM is Congrant Sangma. Governor is Satyapal Malik. Next, Yadadri thermal power project of worth 3.1 billion is in which state? Answer is C. Telangana. Capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. CM is K. Chandrasekhar Rao and Governor is Tamilisai Sundararajan. Next, which ministry has signed MOU with Cleartrip and Ease My Trip? Answer is A. Ministry of the Tourism. Ministry of the Tourism has signed MOU with Cleartrip and Ease My Trip. Currently, Minister for the Tourism is Prahlad Singh Patel. Recently, we saw the news about the Cleartrip. Cleartrip was acquired by Flipkart. Next, government extends foreign trade policy 2015-20 till which date? Answer is a C. 30th September 2021. Next, what is India's rank in Henley Passport Index 2021? India stood 84th in Henley Passport. Top 3 are Japan, Singapore and South Korea. Next, name the company which became the first to certified by UN-backed Sustainable Rice Platform. Answer is a D. LT Foods. Next, Padma Shri awardee Vivek passed away. He was a Tamil comedian. Next, who is the author of a children's novel The Christmas Pig? Answer is a C. J.K. Rowling. Next, Center proposed how much amount for Ropex jetty project on Odisha's Dharma River? Answer is the B. 50.30 crore. We'll see about this. Ministry of the Ports, Shipping and Waterways is a Mansukh Lal Mandaviya has accorded administrative approval for sanction of a 50.3 crore for developing all-weather ROPEX. ROPEX is a roll-on, roll-off passenger jetty and allied infrastructure connecting Kenninalli in Bhadrak district and Talachau in Kendrapara district, Odisha under the Sagarmala initiative. The government of the Odisha will fund another 50% cost of the project. This project will reduce the travel time for the passengers from 6 hours by road to 1 hour by waterways. Next, 22-year-old woman from Jammu and Kashmir added her name in India's world record as the youngest and the first author who has recreated the life of Habba Khatun poetry. Answer is the D. Soliha Shabbir. We'll see about Habba Khatun. She was also known as a Nightingale of the Kashmir. She was a Kashmiri Muslim poet. And Solisa Shabbir recreated the life of a Habba Khatun. Next, NASA aimed to land first women and the person of the color. Person of the color is a non-white person on a moon by 2024. This NASA's moon mission is called Artemis. Next, who issued guidelines for warehousing norms for agri and non-agri goods? Answer is A. SEBI. SEBI is the Securities and Exchange Board of India, established in 1992, headquartered in Mumbai, and SEBI's chairperson is Ajay Tyagi. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe.